Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create a poll in WhatsApp. So let's begin. First, open WhatsApp chat or group where you want to create the poll. So open WhatsApp, click on the group. Now tap on the attachments icon here and you will see the poll icon available just right here. Once you click poll, it will take you to this page where you can easily add your question. So for example, I will type in the question, what's your favorite color? Then below that, you will see the option boxes where you can add your poll choices. So type in each option one by one. Also, you can add up to 12 options by tapping add option after each one. By default, WhatsApp allows people to select multiple answers. And if you want it to be a single choice poll only, toggle off the allow multiple answers switch at the bottom. Once you toggle this switch off, people in the group will only be able to select one answer each. You can also choose to hide voter names or set end time to your poll. And if you want multiple answers to be allowed, just toggle the switch on. Once everything looks good, tap send and the poll gets posted in the chat. Now, everyone in the chat can now tap on their preferred option to vote and the results show up in real time right below the poll so everyone can see how the votes are coming in. And if you want to see a detailed breakdown of who voted for what, just tap on view votes on the poll and you will see each option with names of everyone who selected it. So that's how you create a poll in WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.